last stock that I'm going to be breaking down for this morning, and it's going to be Shopify, or ticker symbol SHOP. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're going to be starting from a higher time frame, and that being the daily interval, and this is going to allow us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. So we are currently at 0.19% up as of right now. Our volume is at 123,000, so we're just almost or just under that 150,000 threshold that we like to see, you guys. Like I said, you really only want to trade something that's above that 150,000 threshold, especially if you're day trading. If you're planning on holding more of a long term, then that doesn't really apply, but still you want something with a lot of volume as well. All right, so now we're going to get into our support and resistance lines really quick, and then we'll get into where we're at and more in depth on where we are currently. So up here, you guys, is our highest heavily tested area where we've been rejected at, and we look left like Beyonce says. So you can see we came up here, got rejected, came up again twice in this area, and pushed us all the way back down to our lower level of support. We look right, you guys, this is where more currently where we're at. You can see that we came up and tested this area multiple times, got rejected, came up and got rejected again. So not only did we test this area once, we tested this area twice just recently and failed. So we look all the way back down here, you guys. This is our lowest level of support. You can see that we bounced from this area 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. So these two levels are very, very, very heavily tested areas, and we have to respect these lines, you guys. So as of right now, you can see that we obviously got rejected at this resistance area. We did not create that breakout that we wanted to see, but it makes perfect sense because if you look how much we pushed up, you guys, this is basically a rally. You can almost consider this parabolic with this igniting candlestick, pushing this all the way up. We are above the trend line. Oh no, I'm sorry. We are actually below the trend line. So that's a good indicator to show that we are starting a downward trend. On the RSI, super overextended, super overextended, you guys. This thing is tired. It wants a break. So more than likely, if anything, we'll probably pull back down to around the $1,300 area. If we do, and if we pull any farther than that, then that's going to show relative weakness in this stock. So we want to see is at least a 50% retracement, that being around the $1,300 area. Or if we do pull back up into this $1,500 area and retest this resistance, then we can look for a breakout. And at that point, what we want to see is this to come up, break past this last pivot, which is at the 1552 area, to come up and come back down and retest this support level. What that will do is it'll create a higher low, and it'll show us that buyers are stepping up and also give us the best buying opportunity as well. So if this video helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. If there's any stocks that you guys want me to break down or take a look at, put it in the comment box below. And other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.